The alarm clock drama. Sara set 5 alarms to wake up early. She felt very responsible. The first alarm rang. She said, 5 more minutes. The second alarm rang. Still early. The third alarm rang. She changed sides. The fourth alarm rang. She dreamed. She woke up. The fifth alarm rang. She finally woke up, looked at the time, and screamed, "Why is time so fast?" Later that day, she blamed the alarm clock for being too loud and too late at the same time. The alarm clock said nothing. It had already lost the argument.